Well, hey guys, a couple of you guys have messaged me asking me to do a short video on how to fund your wallet for HunteX. Okay. Some of you guys don't have experience with using Telegram apps and funding the wallet, and that's okay. Let me show you how to do it. It's very, very simple. Biggest key is using the right form of USDT. There's a lot of different USDTs. There's USDT on the Tron network, right? TRC20. There's USDT on the Ethereum network, ERC20. We need to use USDT on Binance Smart Chain, which is BEP20. So that's the biggest key. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. You're just essentially sending, your USDT to the wallet on your Telegram app. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very, very simple. I know some of you guys are new to Telegram, and that's fine. Let me show you how to do it. Again, it's going to be very, very quick. Of course, I want to start off by saying that I am not a financial advisor. I never take anything I say as financial advice. If you are going to get into HunteX, just know that there is risk involved. It's a high risk, high reward app. Yes, you can make fast money. Okay, but the flip side of that coin, right, is risk, and you can also lose. Okay, so again, biggest suggestion I can give you guys is play with the demo app first. Get the hang of it, practice with that for a day or two, and then you can fund your account and then, um, you know, trade with it. Okay. Also follow me on Telegram. I'll leave a link to that down below. If you haven't subscribed it to this channel, go ahead and subscribe it. The little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So that being said, watch my video that I did earlier. This video, I'm just going to show you how to fund your account. Okay, so let's head on over to the app. Now again, I'm going to take for granted that you have USDT BEP20. Okay, if you don't, again, there's different methods on how to get it. You can use Simple Swap. You can use Changely. There's a couple ways you can do that. I'm not going to cover that really on this video. There's other videos on YouTube that you can watch on how to do that. I'm going to assume and take for granted that you already have USDT BEP20 in your wallet, whatever wallet that you're using. Okay. In this video, we're going to be using MetaMask, our MetaMask wallet. Okay. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go here, you're going to click on My Wallet, and you're going to click on My Wallet right here. And then you're going to click on, it says here, to get started, you are required to accept the terms of use. I agree. So you have here, I agree, probably not today. Of course, I'm going to click here, I agree. Oops, what just happened here? Oop, what happened here? Let me go back. My wallet. Okay. So it says here, please note that your wallet balance is in USDT BEP20. So I'm going to click on deposit. Okay. Here you can withdraw. Okay. Like if you want to withdraw your balance out, of course, to your wallet, you can do that. Here's your history tab, main menu. Okay. Play with these different buttons when you have a minute. Okay. Give me 1 second here. Okay. Yeah. Play with these different buttons when you have a minute. I'm going to click on deposit. Because this here, you can easily top up your HunteX bot account using 6 options: direct deposit in USDT BEP20 using any other wallet or exchange, deposit via payment systems, Skrill, NetTeller, Pix. I'm not going to do that one. Deposit from a credit card. I'm not going to do that one either. Deposit via Pix. Not going to do that. Deposit in UAH. That's for people that are in Ukraine. That would probably be an ideal situation. So I'm just going to deposit USDT BEP20. Okay. I'm going to click this right here. Then it says here to deposit USDT BEP20, please use the following wallet address. Minimum deposit is 5 USDT. This is the wallet address. Okay. It says here, please make sure you're sending USDT on the BEP20 network. Using different tokens or networks may result in fund loss. That's what I just mentioned before. You got to make sure you're using the right network. Again, don't send TRC20, don't send ERC20. Make sure you're sending BEP20, right? Binance Smart Chain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Let me copy this address, right? And then I'm going to head on over to my wallet. I'm going to go over to my MetaMask wallet. So give me 1 second. Over my MetaMask wallet. And then I'm going to go to USDT. I have a little bit of USDT here that I can send. I'm not going to send that whole bit right there, but I'm going to paste the address right here, right? And then I'm going to send some USDT over, right? So I'm going to send 300 USDT. That's pretty much it. I'm going to send that over, and I'm just going to wait for this to clear. Once it clears, I'm going to have that in my account right here, and then I'm going to start trading. So you see that? See how fast that was? Says your incoming transfer of USDT has been received. Your trading balance has been successfully topped with 300 USDT, and now I can trade. I don't have to use the demo app. I can go ahead and start trading, and I'll use live funds right now. So that's how easy it is to deposit funds, and you can obviously top it up and send more if you'd like. So again, that would be the easiest way to send funds, to just send over funds from your wallet. Of course, there's other ways here, deposit by credit card. If that's what you want to do, but I'm not doing that. So again, that's the easiest way to do it. You can see here, super quick, pretty much instant, it hits your account. Okay. So just a quick tutorial on how to do that. Some of you guys have messaged me saying, hey, don't know how to do it. Could you please do a video? Can you show us how to do it? So that's how you send funds over to your HunteX account, so that you can start trading live with real funds, and you can start making some money. So happy trading, guys. Again, have fun with this. Play with the demo app first, and then again, manage your risk tolerance. Again, the key here, if you watched my last video, is don't get greedy. Try to make some gains here and there, and again, just manage your emotions, if anything else. So yeah, they have a tournament starting tomorrow. I believe it's 11 UTC time, which is, I believe, is 7 a.m. Eastern. So there's a new tournament starting tomorrow. If you want to register for that, I think there's like 1,500 USDT that's going to be split amongst uh I think it's the top 10 people, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Um so yeah, outside of that tournament, there's obviously, you can make money every single day with this, if you're successful trading with it. So that's pretty much it. We'll talk about this more as we continue with it. We're having fun with it, and hopefully you guys are having fun with it too. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. As always, do your own research and due diligence, risk capital only. And yeah, make sure you follow me on Telegram, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. And with that said, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.